Hey, it's Dave at Richter Scale Studios. I just finished it must be a little over 16-hour print. This is from Corvus Games Terrain out of Ireland. This is a new release. It came out a couple days ago or yesterday, I'm not sure. Today is April 17th, 2018. This is the Bounty Hunter ship. There's two of them in the package. There's a crashed one, which I didn't print. I'll set a picture up with a video of what it looks like. And this is the regular Bounty Hunter. And I played with it in Simplified 3D. I tilted it vertically and put some supports under it. This is on my Anycubic Ultra Base, i3 Mega. I printed it at 0.2 layer height, 10% infill. And I believe these are the 4mm supports. And I let this cool down for a while. Yeah, this is nice and cold because I don't want to damage it. And I got called by real life, so I'm going to just take this off the base. Then I'll be back to clean up the supports on it, and we'll go from there. So let's see how this comes off. Yeah, this is on there substantially, but obviously not too bad. And it doesn't look like too bad of a cleanup. I love these bigger supports. It sounds intimidating, but when I do the smaller, like 2mm supports, these have a tendency to get fused. Let's see if we can just do a real quick cleanup on this on the camera. Oh, not bad. Hey, maybe we can just do it right here. This is not too bad. I thought this was going to be an ordeal. Wow. Okay, this is coming off nice and clean. Very, very pleased. On this little bridge right here. Yeah, we're going to have a little bit of sanding in the back, but nothing tragic. And nothing's going to detract from this thing once you spray paint it. Yeah, that's nice and clean. Look how easy that came out. Just a click, and it pops. And this one might be difficult on the back. Yeah, this is not going to be fun. There's a door back here. And I really don't want to damage the model. Let's see. Hold on a second. I'm going to grab a pair of pliers. Okay, I just spun around in my chair and grabbed the pliers real quick. I didn't want to waste everyone's time with that. And this might not be as fun as the rest of it. Not bad. Yeah, this is going to be a little rough on the backside, but hey, the ship overall looks amazing. So I get some more leverage in here without pinching my... I got to clean the floor after this. I think that's it. Yeah, there's a little minimal cleanup on this. Not bad at all. So I just wanted to pull this off real quick and show it. If you've seen on my Facebook and Instagram, I did a print in progress at about 95%. So obviously this is 100%. 10% infill, so it doesn't weigh very much. And I'm not sure it uses all that much filament. This is, like I said, I believe I said this in the beginning, this is Maker Geek's PLA. It prints at a high temperature, but it's very strong, and this is called Urban Fossil. This is my favorite all-time color of any filament out there, because I just like it for terrain and buildings, and because it's got like kind of like that khaki bone look to it. It's kind of got some green. So it almost fits at anything. So if you didn't have time to paint it or something, you can throw it on the table, especially for like Star Wars. This like almost looks like the color of the Millennium Falcon. And like I said, this is the Bounty Hunter regular. And then, as I said earlier, I'll put it up again, the Bounty Hunter crashed ship also is available. Corvus Games Terrain. I'll have links to everything in the bottom of the video. As usual, thank you for joining me. And this will be featured in future videos. We'll be painting this stuff eventually. I'm just on this whole kick of painting, but I'm going to go answer the call of real life business, and I'll see you in the next video.